Hello and welcome to Unit 1. This is your general introduction to Unit 1. As you go through this week, understand that number 1, you will be doing research on Java. You will have to run programs in Java, and this is specifically NetBeans, so don't forget to download NetBeans. So I guess that's a 1 and 2. Number 3, don't forget to watch my micro lesson about kind of how to cross-reference. I need to make videos with actually doing the worksheets. The worksheets are very, very obvious. Hey, you insert screenshots showing your program working and performing the things that it asks. And the instructions are in the worksheet, so you'll submit a worksheet, and then you'll usually submit a program. But there's one more submission, and that is a program. And in my micro lesson, I kind of go through the different, not a program, a video. And in my micro lesson, I go into kind of, this is what my expectations for the video are. They're not really hard, but they're me seeing you talk about your program and also walking through the criteria so you can see, yes, I've done this, yes, I've done this. And with my other classes, it's actually been very beneficial for the students because I've had a number of students find that they didn't do a specific criteria when they're talking about it, and then suddenly when you have to talk about it, you're like, oh, maybe I didn't do that right. Let me change this. So I'm watching students change things on the fly, so that gives me a whole lot more of an idea of their competence, which I'm looking for. So as you go into this week, understand that I'm looking very much forward to interacting with you. I'm looking very much forward to taking a look at your programs and hearing you talk about them in your videos. So thank you very much for your time.